We'll guide you through how to clip on a PC or laptop with NVIDIA. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Being able to clip is really convenient because if something cool happens, you can go back and save it. So to get started with this, we need to go and open up NVIDIA. To do that, you can press Alt and Z together like so, and we'll go and get the overlay appear. What we then need to do is you want to come into Instant Replay, and you can come into Configure Video Capture. So what you can do is go and choose the length you want to go and save. For me, I'm going to set it to 2 minutes as I'll quickly do it when it happens. You can then go and choose the format. You can adjust the quality settings. I'll go and keep it to high and then I won't need to change anything else. What you can then do is go and press back like so. And you can then go and have instant replay switched on. So it's now going to be running. So now the last whatever length you set will go and be saved. And if you actually want to go and save it, then what we need to do is go and check the shortcut. So we can come back here. And you can press settings in the top right. Then you want to go and find shortcuts. And then you want to come down to record. We can go and see the shortcut we need to go and press to go and save the last X amount of minutes that have been recorded. Here we are, I'm just in Minecraft. And so let's say something cool happened and I want to go and capture it. What I need to do is go and press the shortcut. For me, that's Alt and F10. Of course, yours may be different. And as you can see, we go and get a pop-up saying instant replay saved. If you press Alt and Z again, we can come to our gallery at the top here and we can go and find the clip. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day.